In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a blinking light error on your Canon Pixma 3700 series printer. If you find this video helpful, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. So guys, a blinking light error can mean many things. And what I'm going to show you guys is I have one right now, the orange blinking light. Super annoying when you get this, but every single one has a different meaning, and I'm going to explain what those mean in this video. So the one I have here, guys, is E2. So you can see the error code here. It says E2. And for E2, guys, E2 means that there is no paper in the paper tray, or the printer can't detect paper in the paper tray. So you need to make sure that your paper is loaded properly in the paper tray if you have an E2 error. So I do have a video down below showing you how exactly to load up paper, guys, but it all revolves around this blue clip here. You need to make sure it's pushed out to the side and then back in to secure your paper. So the next error you might get is an E3. E3 means that there is a paper jam. Okay, guys, so to fix a paper jam, the Canon Pixma is honestly not the best printer to fix these problems. But long story short, and I do have a video explaining all of these guides in the description, showing you exactly what to do in more detail. But I'm going to get through them fairly quickly in this one. So for this one, guys, you want to open up the inside of your printer, or you need to turn your printer off first, completely off, unplug your printer, and then just go through the paper flow. So you want to start at the back from the rear paper feeder. You kind of want to go in and then kind of get the paper out with your you'll need to do it manually, unfortunately. So you might want to use some chopsticks or some tweezers. Make sure there is no power running through the printer. And then you want to open up the inside of the printer here and get what you can from this area. Now, that is error E3, and if you see error E4, guys, that means that there is a cartridge missing, incorrectly installed or incompatible. So you will need to change your cartridges to do that, and it's quite simple to change your cartridges. You just open up the inside as before. You need to make sure your printer is turned off and on. If you have a blinking light error at the moment, it means that you won't be able to change your cartridges. So just turn your printer off and on, and then your you will be able to change your cartridges. Now, error E5, guys, and I'm pretty sure that's the last one, is that there is another cartridge related error. So it's the exact same fix. Now, I'm going to show you how to do a universal reset, guys, for your printer. If you have this error, just to kind of get things going again, so you can properly fix the error without the annoying blinking light. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is to press stop on the current operation. So press this button here, and it's going to stop the operation, and hopefully your blinking light will go away as the printer is not currently trying to do anything. So that is kind of what you need to do, and then turn your printer off and on again. And if the blinking light doesn't go away, then you should read the code and figure out what to do. But don't worry if there is a light. They are all very fixable. They shouldn't take too much effort to fix them. It's normally a paper jam, paper error, or a cartridge error. But guys, if you do want to completely reset your printer, just in case, then press the setup button here, guys. And you want to press it, you want to keep pressing it until you reach the number 17. So once you reach the number 17, guys, you want to press the black or color option, and then you will do a full reset of your printer. But guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, as that would help us out so much. And if you guys are looking for any printer supplies, check out our sponsor in the description. They are a global printer supply store. They do global shipping and really good deals all the time. You'd be helping us out, guys, and you would be helping out a small business. So check them out, and that would be really helpful. But thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.